Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody's trying to draw this. They sent me this and they can't figure out how to make it meet and be perfect. So the only way I know how to do it is to take a rectangle, and we're going to make it any size, but we're going to make it 12 inches. And I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. Now, we don't know what size the little square should be, but if you take this and rotate it, Control D, and rotate it 45 degrees, there's our gap that we need to make. So let's take the parallel dimension tool and go from that intersection to that intersection. If you look, it's 4.97 of an inch. So we'll make a box and we'll rotate it 45 degrees, and we'll, with our ratio locked, 4.97. Now we can take our pick tool and probably grab that part right there and have it snap to there. Take away our second box. Control D and make a duplicate. Start moving and hold down the control button until it locks into the midpoint. Grab it all, Control D, and rotate it 90 degrees. And instead of deleting stuff, let's just take the Smart Fill tool, and there's our X. Let's just delete all this, put this in the center of the page, left click, right click. We'll make it black. Control D, and this time rotate it 45 degrees. Now you can take this and make it whatever thickness of line you want. Well, we got one line too many. Let's see what happened there. Oh, somehow we got a line right there. Let's just delete it. You know what? That was a result of the original box. So Control D and make a duplicate and rotate this 45 degrees. Then select your thickness that you want it to be. We'll make it quite a bit thicker. Nah, that's too thick. Let's go 0.25. Now to make it even better, I would go to Object, convert the outline to an object. I'm going to left click, right click. It would do it without this, but this way you get to see it do it. See it happen. And then we're going to weld it. And by doing that, all your blocks are connected. They're all perfect. And you could use the Smart Fill tool to make it whatever color you wanted. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.